Monkey stand in line at banana store. Monkey in front pay with banana that look perfect. Yellow. Shiny. Correct amount of curve. Store monkey smile. Store monkey take it. But that banana fake. And it just stole a tiny piece of your banana. What is counterfeit banana? In monkey land, banana is money. Real banana grow on tree. Tree take time. Tree take work. So real banana worth something. But some sneaky monkey no wanna grow banana. Sneaky monkey want banana without work. So sneaky monkey make banana that is not banana. Painted wax. Yellow sponge. Looks like banana. Smells like banana. Is not banana. This is counterfeit. Counterfeit mean fake money pretending to be real money. Now follow the steps, because this is a process. Step 1. Sneaky monkey make 100 fake banana in the treehouse basement. Step 2. Sneaky monkey take fake banana to town. Sneaky monkey buy real things. Real leaf. Real coconut. Real treehouse rent. Store monkey no look close. Store monkey accept fake banana like it real. Sneaky monkey walk away with real stuff and gave up nothing. Sneaky monkey basically got free coconuts. Free coconuts feel great. Free coconuts are a crime. Here's where it gets sneaky. The store monkey no lose right away. Store monkey still holding a banana. Store monkey happy. So who lose? Nobody? Wrong. Everyone lose. Because now Monkeyland has 100 extra bananas that no tree ever grew. More banana floating around. Same amount of coconut. Same amount of leaf. Same amount of stuff to buy. When banana become more common, banana become less rare. And less rare mean less valuable. This is the hidden theft. Sneaky monkey no reach into your pocket. Sneaky monkey no grab your banana. Sneaky monkey just make your banana worth a little less. It is called dilution. Dilution mean adding fake stuff so real stuff shrink in value. Same as if monkey pour water in your banana smoothie. Smoothie still full. Smoothie tastes like sadness. You still have your bananas. Your bananas just buy fewer coconuts than yesterday, and you never saw it happen. You might say, but monkey, 100 fake banana is nothing. True, but sneaky monkey, no stop at 100. Sneaky monkey get greedy. Sneaky monkey make 1,000, then 10,000, and other sneaky monkeys see it working. Now the whole town full of fake banana. Store monkeys stop trusting bananas at all. Store monkeys start biting every banana to check. Nobody want a money you have to bite. Trust break. And money only work when monkeys trust it. So how monkeys fight back? This is the next step in the process. Real banana makers add secret marks. Tiny stripe only real banana have. Special shine. A little serial number under the peel. In Monkeyland money, this is like the watermark, the shiny strip, the tiny hidden thread. Store monkey learn to check the marks. Fast. Every time. Because a store monkey who catch fake banana protect the whole troop's bananas. You are basically banana security now. Congratulations, the pay is bananas. This really happened, by the way. Long ago, before monkeys had fancy marks, sneaky monkeys shaved tiny slivers off the edge of gold banana coins. Called clipping. Shave enough coins, melt the slivers, make a whole new coin from stolen edges. Regular monkeys got coins that weighed less but had to accept them anyway, so governments added ridges to the coin edges. That is why your coins have little bumps today. Real bumps. To stop very old, very sneaky monkeys. Now, the practical part. So become the monkey holding the fake. Step 1. Look for the secret marks before you take a big banana. Step 2. Tilt it. Real money shift color and shine. Sponge do not. Step 3. Feel it. Real money have texture. Fake feel flat and sad. Step 4. If banana feel too perfect, be suspicious. Nothing real is perfect. Not banana, not money, not monkey's last relationship. Moving on. And this is why making fake money is a very big crime, not a small one. Sneaky monkey. No just rob one store. Sneaky monkey rob every monkey who ever holds a banana a little at a time silently. The quiet theft nobody feels until every banana buys less. Not financial advice, by the way. please do not print bananas, and please do not sue Monkey. That is counterfeit money. Fake bananas quietly stealing from every real banana, including yours, and now you can spot them. Thank you for hanging out with the troop here at Primate Portfolio. If Monkey made this make sense, hit subscribe, and tell Monkey in the comments what money thing to explain with bananas next. Monkey read them all. Monkey eat while reading, but Monkey read.